What's up, food reviewers? Today's episode is a very special episode because we're not eating hot dogs.
One single vote was from this guy.
Dude, why?
Alright, well, whatever I do now is on Glep.
And tonight we're gonna think of something new, which is, okay, cheese. Cheese, that's a good start. What can you make with cheese? Pizza. Cheeseburgers. Come on, Driveway. What? Yes. What do we got? More cheese. So this is how it ends, huh? You try to think of something more interesting than hot dogs, and it's just cheese. Just cheese? Ah. There's beer everywhere! It's magical! These nuts in my face. I found. I don't know where all this came from. It didn't take us long to start drinking the old brewskis during the show. I don't know where this came from. Does anybody know about the Pringles? Anyway, I didn't know. Those just showed up. All right, we're gonna start things off here with this magical beer that rolled up. Oh fuck! Oh god, no! And with the PBR, the cheese that will be paired with it. Cream. That's PBR and cream cheese, all right. For our next pairing, we've got cheese, but let's see where the beer went. Oh, High Life. I get it. Let's go to the next one quick. I'm about to throw up. Next one is a pretty spicy one. It is the chocolate habanero Iron Monk beer with habanero cheese. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot. I was gonna pair it with the scorching cheddar. Chocolate Pringles. It's almost like those old swoops. I wish someone would swoop me out of this chair and kill me. The old classic, Pepper Jack. Now, there's only one other thing I can think of when I hear the word Jack, and that's, not again. These nuts. Peanut butter and cheese. What was that noise? Was that Yabba Dabba Brew? Don't mind if I Yabba Dabba do. I wish I Yabba Dabba didn't. Well, that went about as good as any other of these Driveway food reviews went. Really, I don't know what went through. I don't know what the Driveway wanted me to do with cheese and beer. Oh my God! It's Bad Buddha!
So, you want all of the drinks, do you? Let's put them all together and have a suicide.
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No! Well, food reviewers, this is the Buddha Beer Suicide. Let's go. That 11 out of 10.
Yum!
I didn't think you were actually gonna drink it.
Tastes like makeup.
It tastes like.
Ooh!
Okay, that's it. That's it. Yeah, that's perfect. Ew, don't eat this! Go get it, man! More action. Boys soon. Ah! What are you fucking squeezing? It wasn't on purpose, I swear. It was on purpose! I was trying to get it to go more and it just did it too hard. Sorry. Oh, my beers are coming from everywhere. That was good. Cut. Beer everywhere.
I don't want to go with it. Right here. You need water?
What's up, food reviewers?
It's a bit.